All right, what's the name of this place?
Villa Noble?
Villa Noble, Villa Noble.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually I think this is the 10th place we've rented in Turkey. The second place we've rented outside of the Airbnb platform. And let me show you the place as I walk along and I rant a bit. So here's the entryway. Just as you come into the entryway, there is this hallway that has some storage space and two full-size mirror doors, so you can be nice and vain. Just there is a washing machine, which is perfect if you've been traveling and you need to do some laundry. We generally try to rent places that have washers so that we don't need to bring a bunch of clothes. We can wash like every week. So as you come out of the hall, you come into the living kitchen area here. Nice full-size fridge, which is always great. There's a microwave, there's a stove, there's a 4-top burner, looks like a panini maker, Turkish coffee maker, electric kettle, a dishwasher. Man, this place is really loaded, huh?
Right, it really is.
Nice stainless steel vent hood range there. Here's your little dining area, perfect for us. That's just the two of us, so there's 3 seats there. Couch area, living area with a nice large TV and a little love seat type setup with a regular sitting chair there. Looks like they've even tossed in a baby chair for you if you need one. There is a ductless AC unit in here, and in fact there's a patio, and this door was really neat, the way she folded it inward to show us how to get it in. Nice accordion style screen door. Looks like there's another washer out here maybe. So this actually is really cool because this goes up and out to the pool, which is just here. The pool's empty. It's the middle of February now, so they're not exactly keeping the pools up right now, and it's actually just getting warm. So this was a very beautiful, lovely, clean area. Rachel's starting to put some stuff away for us. Go ahead, I want to come into that room. So we actually, when we booked this, we booked a room with 2 single beds. The reason we do that is that way we can ensure that we each have our own pillow and our own blanket instead of sharing a blanket. So the really cool thing about this is we didn't realize that there's actually a whole other room. So each of these, all these rooms have really nice shades to bring down and keep the light out. There's another ductless AC unit and a whole another entertainment center in here with a small television, and of course more full-size mirror storage areas. And then here's the bathroom for this one. Where's this light switch at? I don't know where this light switch is. Here? Nice. So these showers are really nice and clean, which is one of the reasons I'm glad we went outside of the Airbnb platform on this, because we've been really having an issue with cleanliness of our units, and someone mentioned to me maybe we should pay more for our Airbnbs and we'd get better results, but in fact, all Airbnbs should be adhering to the advanced cleaning right now, and that has not been the case in our experience. And this place was actually slightly less than a majority of the Airbnbs we've been getting, and it is really nice and really clean. So here's this whole other room. We didn't even realize this room was included. And so this is a double, I guess, and another ductless AC unit, and very nice lighting, shades to bring the light, to kill the light in the morning or whatever you want to nap in the afternoon. Another wall-mounted television. Looks like the router's over there hiding. Another full mirrored storage area. And another very, very clean bathroom. I'm very pleased with this place, and I will definitely put the link in the description so that if you're curious, you can check it out. Yeah, this is just a really awesome place. Rachel, did you see that you can walk out up onto that thing there to go to the pool?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's amazing. And we can go right out the gate there, right down the little road with a direct access to a private beach that is for this.
I wonder if you can see the sea from here. Let me go show you guys real quick. I'm gonna walk over here to the edge and see if you can see. I guess you can kind of see it, but the waters are just crazy blue through here. So this little road here just goes down to the water. And I'm going to cut this off because we're going to hurry and try to get down there and enjoy this lovely sunny weather while the weather is nice. It's supposed to actually get colder in the next couple days. So thanks for checking this place out. It's very beautiful. Remember, you don't always have to use the Airbnb platform. You can just look around online for apartments for rent, and you might end up with not only a better price, but a place that the renter or the host takes more pride in. Because like I said, we've had issues with Airbnb recently with as far as with the cleanliness, and I'm incredibly pleased with this place, and I will definitely recommend it. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for coming along.